Hello and welcome to another update video. We are here on the Chainlink chart. Yeah, this is the 1 hour time frame for Chainlink. Quick reminder before we zoom into the microstructures here on the weekly chart, the scenarios are unchanged, have been unchanged for quite some time. The price is still fighting with this $23 level. It's a technical level. And it still holds. I mean, yeah, we're slightly below it, but I would not call that a decisive break below. Still, it looks like we're working on that wider wave 2 there. But that being said, as per previous updates, once we get a break above this yellow trend line, that could be a good indication that we're on our way to $47, which is the 100% extension. First ideal target for yellow wave C. It is also pretty much where the all-time high was formed. Not exactly. The all-time high was a little higher, but this is pretty much where it's formed. So if we now see a bit of a pullback, that's not needed though. But if we see a bit of a pullback, it could even be an opportunity. Watch this area for a potential reaction. So we'll watch these four levels: $13.28, $15.53, $17.34, and $19.37 for possible reactions. And if a third wave up starts, it could be rapid. Take the price above this yellow line, and then the next levels that matter are around $31 and $36. So that's what we're watching, right? That's the thesis. Below $13.27, however, this chart will slightly change. But yeah, these are the key pivots, right? So we've got this Fibonacci support area. $23 is kind of an important level on the local level. And then this trend line here, which is currently coming in, by the way, around $28. So breaking above it opens the door to 31, 36.50, and then 47. On the nano level, we are stuck. So you see on the nano level here on the smaller time frame, this larger trend line, as I said, it's coming in around $28. Yeah. We're currently, let me shift that higher. We're currently obviously way below it, but approaching $28 would be a first step in indicating a direct upside breakout is underway. For now, you see we're simply here in a local correction. And the nearest trend line, 3 touch points we have already, nearly 4, is currently coming in at around $23.50. So breaking above it wouldn't be meaningful from an Elliott wave point of view, but it could mean that this entire structure is shifting. For example, the B wave might still be unfolding, which is not unlikely given that this was quite a weak B wave anyway, and the move down from the Wednesday high is only a 3-wave move, so I would not be surprised at all to get a wider B wave. You also see that we're still holding barely the 78.6 retracement level of this last bounce that started on the 15th of August. But yeah, just still in corrective patterns. Yeah, no clear impulse to the upside yet, no break of resistance, and we're stuck below the trend line, which is an immediate trend filter. So the next support levels, just structurally, are around $21.50. Haven't reached it yet, but I would watch for a bounce there if we get there, or possible reaction, and then $20.80. This is the swing low from the 11th, 12th of August, and then below this support zone obviously starts. We're far away from that. We're kind of holding micro support levels here, but without clear impulsive reaction to the upside for now. So if anything changes, I will of course let you know. I'll keep you updated. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional updates, chart updates, news, and much more. You can find the link in the description and in the comment section. And yeah, also sometimes updates are here a little bit faster. Sometimes when YouTube has technical problems, videos are uploaded here first. So check it out if you're interested. And see you over there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.